So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. In this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can update your profile picture on Discord profile. You can do the same process on your web version, either your web version or the software that you have been using on your PC, or you can do the same process on the application of mobile also. So first of all you need to do is to just simply open the Discord on any of the sources. For example, if I open the Discord on my Windows PC, now this is the home page. You all have been familiar with this. Now to change the profile picture, you're gonna see currently my profile picture is this, which is by defaultly set it by Discord. If I want to change this, I have to go to the option of settings, which you can find on the left bottom corner, the icon of settings. When you hover the mouse over there, it says user settings. Just simply click there. Now here on the left window, you're going to find an option of profiles in the user settings section. Just simply click on this option, and here in the preview section you're going to see this profile option, from where you can see your profile picture. Just simply when you hover the mouse over there, it says change avatar. When you click there, here you can either choose a GIF or upload a image from your PC. You can locate your image from where you want to upload here, and once you're done with it, your profile picture has been updated, so that if a person is finding it, they are going to find your profile picture as well. Or you can just simply in the avatar section click here this option of change avatar. It is the same option as there. So by this method you can easily change the profile picture on your Discord profile. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.